Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick update about the Gummy Meme Token and what's going on right now, because if you miss the airdrop that's happening right now, you have another chance to participate on another airdrop. So let's explain what's happening right now and see how much the price right now. Let's go to the DEX tool. You can see here, guys, it's pumping. It's 92,000%. Believe it or not, guys, 92,000%. It has a market cap of 93 million market cap. Yesterday, when I shared a video with you guys, it was only 30,000 million. Now it's 93 and it's keep going on. And the holders yesterday was about what, 16,000 people or 20,000 people. Now it's 38,000 people. It's going up, and you can see here the 24-hour volume is up 48 million, and it just launched yesterday. And you can see here the buy and sell. Everybody's buying and selling. This is not a financial advice, guys. This is just, I'm sharing with you what's going on here. It's your money, it's your decision. So if I want to talk here about the airdrop, if you would like to buy or sell, is your decision. I'm just giving you some information about this airdrop, how you can claim it, and how to participate on the next one. Like this, you can have more free tokens. So let's go to the website. So what you're gonna do here, if you didn't get your gummies yet airdrop, you have to click on this link. Look at here, this link or this link, or you can go here down here and click on this link. Wherever you click on it, when you click on it, you're gonna go to this website called soulstorm.com. So what you're gonna do, because I claim mine already, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go here and you're gonna connect your wallet. That's all what you have to do. Connect your wallet. You have to click on here. It's gonna say claim, like this one. When you click on this one, your wallet is gonna pop up to authorize the transaction. So make sure you have some Solana for the gas fee. The gas fee is very cheap, so make sure you have some Solana on your wallet, because if you don't have Solana in your wallet, the transaction is not gonna go through because you need some gas fee. So when you click on claim, the wallet is gonna pop up and you're gonna confirm your transaction. And when you confirm your transaction, it's gonna go straight to your wallet. That's all what you have to do. So you can see here, this is the contract. If you'd like to buy or sell, it's your decision. This is the website. This is the link for the website, and I will give you all the links you need, and you can find it on the description box of this video. So, and it says here, okay, let's talk about this one first. 100 million in less than 24 hours. The remaining airdrops are valued at 20 million. That's huge. Look at it, went all the way to 0.1. It starts with 0.0001. Now it's 0.1. It may go up, it may go down. This is meme token, high risk, high reward. So if you would like to participate, first, when you claim your tokens, your airdrops, this amount you see here, this is only 10% you will receive. You will receive another 20% if you participate in the airdrops, the previous airdrops. So this one is only 10%. You will receive a 20%, but they didn't say when. So what you're gonna do, to participate on the next airdrop. You just have to go to Banter. Let's see here. Okay, here, let's go to here. You have to go to this website, banterbubble.com. You can use it on your computer. You can download the application on your phone. It's up to you. So what you have to do, you have to, when you upload this, you have to click on this yellow, and you have to connect, even give your email, or you can connect with your Twitter. You can see here I'm connecting with my Twitter here, and I gave already my Solana wallet address. What you're gonna do, you have to click on this one, connect with your Twitter or your email, and then you have to enter your Solana wallet. Make sure that's it's a Solana wallet, not Ethereum wallet, not BNB wallet, nothing else. A Solana wallet to receive your airdrops. That's all what you have to do. Just go to this website, connect your email or your Twitter, and then start collecting points. You can see here the points are accumulating. When you open this window and you keeping it open, it keeps accumulating points. That's all what you have to do. That's it. That's how you get the airdrop, participating in this application and earning points. More points you get, more airdrop token you get. So that's all what you have to know about this project. And this project, the guy behind this project, this is not my project. I'm just participating because one of the guys in the comment, he was asking me how much I made on this project. This is not my project. I'm just participating in this project, and I'm sharing with you all the information I know about this project. The guy behind this project is a well-known YouTuber, and this is his channel, Crypto Banter, and he has over 700,000 subscribers and a lot of, this is the guy here, this is his picture. He's the one behind this project, and a lot of YouTubers following him, and they're talking about it. That's why it gets more famous now, and everybody's participating on it. And you can see here it's 90,000% up. Imagine from 0.001301 to 0.11 right now. It's trading #1 on DEX tool right now. You can see here HAT1, that's trading #1 on DEX tools. And the market cap, it's still low. It's only 90,000. Yesterday was only 30,000. Now it's 90,000. I imagine it can go up, it can go down. This is crypto, guys. So if you like my video and you like more update about this project, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, drop me a comment and I will answer your questions. No problem, guys. I'm here to help you and help myself. So enjoy watching this video and don't hesitate to like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you, guys.